Here's your new mailbox. It's actually made of double-wall plastic, so it's much stronger than the old vinyl one. And it won't rot and it won't rust. We have a system, a tongue and groove here for the mailbox to sit on, and that'll really hold that in place securely. What do you think?
Looks great.
Okay, now down here in the bottom, we have a 4x4 post that goes 2 feet up into the mailbox, and 2 feet is going to go in the ground, so we're going to get the post hole diggers and dig a hole.
All right.
Before I do any digging, I always call 811. They're the utility locating service. They'll mark out any underground wires or pipes so we don't hit them, and this area is clear. These post hole diggers have 2 clamshell blades on them. You just drive them in the ground, separate the handles, and lift out the soil. Should make quick work of this hole. Now we're ready to assemble the mailbox. The 4x4 post is held in place with 2 lag screws. The mailbox itself has 4 small screws holding it in place. Now the Postal Service wants us to have the face of the mailbox 6 to 8 inches from the edge of the road, and to be 41 to 45 inches higher than the road. To hold the post in place, we're going to mix up some fast-setting concrete. We're going to add the water a little at a time so that we get a good stiff mix. And we'll fill the top 4 inches of the hole with topsoil. Now they gave us a little panel we're screwing on to hide the post, so that won't be visible.
Okay.
Look here, the mailbox opens from the front and the back. That way if you're on a busy street, you can just access the mail this way.
Great.